Hey guys, this is Tim, aka T-Dub, coming at you. I don't know if you can see me or not, but we're starting to feel the impact of the hurricane. Anyway, we're starting to feel the impact of the hurricane. Getting a little bit of wind. Our power's already out, but I see a lot of other people still have power, so we'll I hope we don't be without power very long. If we do, I got my pillow right there. See there? I got my pillow. I'll be sleeping in my truck because it's cool. But anyway, I'll keep y'all posted on what's going on with the hurricane. Until then, peace. Anyway, we're back on, and I see some power outages down here now. The store here don't have any power. The restaurant has power. Cool. The little motel has power. The big store down here, it had power earlier, but it doesn't now. I'm gonna just get down here and sit a few minutes and see if I see any power trucks go by or see anything exciting. So we'll see. It's blowing a little bit, but I mean, the weather's not that bad. I've been in worse. I have been in a lot worse. Hurricane Elena, when it come through back in the, I guess it was, I don't know, 80s or 90s, it it blowed a lot harder than this right here. Of course, I was down at the Gulf in Cedar Key as well. So Rocking my truck a little bit now. There goes a cabbage van hauling tater across the parking lot. Well, if anything exciting happens, I'll tune y'all back in. Hey y'all. Hey y'all, this is T-Dub again. Sitting here watching the wind blow. I just moved my truck out from underneath the trees. But I don't know if y'all can see tops of those trees there. Moving pretty good. We're just chilling here through the hurricane. It's coming to show up around Taylor County, I think. That's up at Perry, somewhere around up in there. But I think it's gonna pass through here today and be pretty good tomorrow.